What's going on, guys? So today we got Fred coming in all the way from Queens. So considering that it is his first session, we're gonna go with a very light density because one thing that we want to avoid at all costs is migration. What is migration? Look up scalp micropigmentation fails, and every person that you see with that big blue Mickey Mouse ears head, that is migration. We're gonna go nice and light for this first session because we want to build that foundation before we get to that mansion being that nice, crispy, natural hairline. He has taken that 1 hour and 15-minute hike up to the good old Hudson Valley because he needs his life saved by the great one, the hairline wizard. Fred.
Hey, what's going on, man? How you
What's
doing?
up, brother? How you doing?
Good.
How's the drive up from the city?
Great. Scenic route. Took the scenic
Come
route,
out
so
to the country, baby. Yeah, let me see what we got today, man.
So we got a disaster site.
That's
here,
all right.
man.
Listen, my man. If you were a fly on these walls, what you got right now, you're in good shape.
Gotcha.
We're gonna take care of you.
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna get you right. And I'm gonna take care of the beard too.
Okay.
All right?
Oh, there we go. No, I don't need no other words. We just need to get this back. We need to get this, taken care of. I'm trusting you with my hairline right now.
Fucking hairline right now about to look like. I'm about to give you the fucking Wonder Woman fucking logo on you.
Magneto hairline.
All right, brother. Come on. Good though, your profiles are strong.
Okay.
So you don't even, I'll go in there and accent them a little bit, but the line we looking at is this top line right there.
Okay.
Good with that?
Yeah, copy. Yeah.
You said kinda?
No, I said copy.
Oh, all right. No, kinda,
yeah.
like you don't settle for this. If,
Oh, no, I mean.
if you want adjustments, I don't care if there's 4, 5, 6, or 7. Remember, you wearing this shit 24/7, 365. One would do. Yeah, nah, this is it, bro.
It's the same thing, right? Yeah. All right, so,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Right,
So when you look at yours from here, like that, now you'll see
Got you.
that. But the reality.
Got you. Like a slightly higher.
So let's do
Well,
it.
actually, it should be good there, right?
Without the camera, but look, you see, like his hair there, like it gets stronger, like about that much higher up. Yeah, nah, the hairline is good, bro. All right, brother. Brand new, cleared, clean, sealed needle. This whole thing right here is gonna be going inside of you, right? Like, just kidding, bro. Like that right there. All right?
Gotcha.
It's gonna feel like I'm plucking your hair or some shit like
Gotcha.
that. All right. First, Fred, I'm gonna put a couple of them up here, just so you start familiarizing yourself with what this is gonna feel like. What do you think so far?
Nothing.
One thing to do first session,
Too light.
lay down a couple light so you can see it, that is theirs. Then when you come for the second session, I know
Yeah, it's over. Yeah.
That's why I say the second session is the magic session.
Copy.
Here you see it, hope, oh shit, I see my hairline, and then.
Gotcha.
But this is what we want. Dude, let's go back to the chin. You could just actually rest your chin right here. I mean, if you're gonna be arcing your back, if that bothers you, then don't even mess with it.
Sure.
But trust the process, my brother.
No, I got it.
Trust the process.
I didn't need it. I got it. Man.
Let me see. Let me put a little bit of this on you, just so it gets rid of the red. Then I'm gonna give you something so you could also.
Oh, you done?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, I'll give you a little something so you could. Take it home with you. You know, you're gonna have a whole week with it.
Yeah.
If there's anything, like if you go, yo, Dave, I want to bring it down.
Copy.
You
Yeah.
want to bring it down lower.
Actually, look like a good spot for it. No.
For the record, you ain't trying to grow them stones.